Yeah, happy new week, viewers. I appreciate you all for joining us at Adewara Malfa TV once again. Yes, I'd like to show you what I saw on social media that I think is worth sharing from Bola Adewara, where he said he was taught 20 lessons.
Hello, my friend. Let me share with you some 20 lessons Mama taught me early in life. I decided to put this together because I am not really happy about what I see of many of these younger generations. Many of them, I'm sorry to say, they are not properly taught. It's like parents don't really have time for their children. And I'm saying this with all sense of responsibility because I don't want to look as if one is insulting anybody. No, I'm not insulting. I'm just trying to uh, give a verdict or tell you what is in my mind. 20 lessons Mama taught me early in life. Number one, Mama told me that if I am seated in a bus and I see an elder standing, especially the aged, I should give up my seat to them. Number two, Mama told me that I should never offer handshake first to anybody older than me. Number three, when an elder offers me a handshake, I should first prostrate, then stand, and then take the hands of the elder with my two hands. Number four, I should always respect women, never to raise my hands against any. I should know that women fight with their mouths, and I should walk away when I'm provoked. Even in traffic, let her have the right of way. Number five, Mama told me to be careful with what I say anywhere. She said that once I speak, I cannot unspeak. I should not be quoted anywhere I am when it comes to them say, them say. Number six, Mama told me that liars must have good memories. I should be careful not to tell lies because if I tell a lie, I will tell 1,000 other lies to cover up the first lie I've told. Number seven, Mama told me that I should not be in the forefront of any protest and I should not be at the rear, be in the middle. When I was in the university, this was a testament I never forgot. Number eight, Mama told me not to fight anybody. You can disagree with people. You can walk away from them. You can keep them at an arm's length, but don't foreclose line of communication with anybody. Let there be opportunities to say hello. You don't just know where you will meet again. Number nine, my mother can greet. She taught me how to greet. She said the proof of malice is in the refusal to greet. So, me too, I can greet die. Even on this Facebook, if I know see someone, some friends post or comment or like, you see me inboxing them. Long time, boy. It's been a long time, sis. I've not seen you. I've not heard from you. This is one of those things Mama told me. Number 10, Mama told me that if anybody does me a favor, I should go to his house to say thank you the following morning. For a whole week, I should try to see him to say thanks for the other day until the person starts shouting, Haba, you do now. That's the way I was brought up. Number 11, as a child, if anybody gave me anything outside, I should refuse it. If I couldn't refuse it, I should bring it home for her to see, not to eat out. In fact, when Mama was there and someone offers us something, Mama would tell me, take it now. I said, take it. I knew that if you take it, you will be in trouble. You know, we were brought up in such a way that when Mama would speak, when my mommy said, we knew what he was talking about. When Mama just did, we knew what he was saying. If a visitor came to our house and you were around, my mommy has a way of looking at you. She could just remove her glass and look at you this way. You knew he was telling you, get get lost immediately. Mama brought me up in 3 ways. 1, eyes. 2, voice. 3, the cane. In Yoruba, they call them Omo Oju, Omo Oro, Omo Egba. These days, when you do your eyes to your children this way, they will say, Mommy, what's wrong with your eyes? I don't know where this generation has got it wrong. And I think it's because the parenting is not as vital as it was during our days. As a child, if anybody gives me anything outside, you dare not eat it. You must take it home first. Not until recently that I find myself eating outside. It was not part of me to eat any food cooked by anybody because we were not brought up to eat outside. Number 12, prayer in the morning, afternoon, and night was a must. Memory verse was a must. She will sprinkle us with water if we didn't wake on time. And there's this thing they call Abara, hot slap, is waiting if she didn't hear your amen to her prayers. Every Christian must read through the whole Bible at least once in a lifetime. That was my mommy for you. Number 13, every lawyer that goes to court was a juju man. Till tomorrow, my mommy believes that. No wonder that profession did not interest any of her children. Now, Mama Kosamo. Number 14, you must just be a church worker. It was a must. You must be early in church. If possible, be the first in church. To my mommy, there was an angel waiting to distribute answers to prayer to the early comers. Number 15, no bushy hair. Only madmen keep it. No sideburns. You look like gorilla. No mustache. Are you a he-goat? No alcohol. Eleya loti wine. That's what my mommy will tell you. Wine is a mocker. No cigar. You start burning yourself before going to hell. Number 16. No child is too young to cook or arrange the house. As from age 5, all of us in the family took great responsibilities at home. Cooking, washing plates, washing our clothes, fetching water, washing the curtains, active in church choir. We were brought up in the Baptist church. My sister was very active in what we call GA, Girls Auxiliary, also Lydia Circle, and I was very active in Royal Ambassador and the church choir, as I said. On cooking, I make bold to say that no woman can cook better than me. If you think it's a lie, let's go into a contest. I throw this challenge to you this day. Mama taught me how to, you know what called olota, how to knead a pepper on this stone. I don't know what you call it in English. We knew how to do this thing very early in life. Are you teaching your children these values? Mothers, wake up. Number 17, when you wake in the morning, go and wash your face. Then move round the houses to greet everybody. After brushing your teeth with toothpaste, top it up with what we call pako. You score 100%. Number 18, treat every pastor with respect. Kneel or prostrate for them. They are representative of God. If they are doing well or not, it is not your problem. If you criticize them, you risk hellfire. That was my mama for you. Number 19, Obafemi Awolowo was a god. She saw him in the moon inside a bucket of water placed outside one night like that. You know, the parents of those days who saw Obafemi Awolowo perform when they were children or something like that, they have high regard for that man. Number 20, Jesus will soon come back. My mama never stopped saying that. She had been expecting him since the 1990s. She even went to Israel to see where he was born. Everybody must be ready. 20 things Mama taught me before she went to be with the Lord. What are you teaching your children? Will your children someday come online and tell people things like this? Guess what I'm doing? Mentoring masterclass. God be with you. Bye.